Hi everyone, I'm Swati. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take you to an entrance door makeover. I know I have done entrance door makeovers in past, but this time this is for an ageless classy couple. Their requirement for the entrance door is simple, same as they are, beautiful, ageless and classy. But at the same time, it should not look over dramatic, has to be very sober and subtle in nature. So let's see how we can do that. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it now. Let's have a look at the current situation. So this is the flat on one corner, very near to the staircase. So not much wall is there on the front side, so we'll utilize the side walls. For front wall designing, we need to smooth the surface as it has got rough walls. Two beams are lying above door, which will restrict our design. So let's see how we can design it with maximum utilization of space. But for the color combination, we decided to go as per the shoe cabinet, which is in shade of brown and grey. So here are some designs that we wanted to incorporate. So we went for a combination of second and third design, that is front wall as per second design and side walls of third design. We started with the first step, that is ceiling lamp installation. Due to limited space, we are using this circular 3-mode 15-watt lamp right in the center of ceiling space to enlighten our main door entrance. So it has got 3 different modes of light, that is warm, moonlight and cool mode, which can be set according to our mood. So next up is the wooden molding installation. I went for a medium size semicircular trims to install around the doors as per our design. As you can see, there are 2 beams just above the door, so we went for a triangular arch for this space. So he has been a very helpful hand in almost all of my DIY projects. His name is Purushottam, and for this particular project, his work is remarkable. After the front wall, we have installed one more trim at the end of side walls. We were looking for a nameplate which is narrow and long as per the door sides dimension, but we couldn't find, so we decided to do the DIY nameplate all by ourselves using sunboard or foam board. This foam board was really thick, so we decided to go for the 3-dimensional design that we wanted to incorporate in our side walls. We are making bricks for the round circular pattern. Now it's time for the painting. To start, we need to first scrap and clean the walls because it's an untouched wall and some area has damp over it. So next up is the POP layer application for the damp wall repair and also for smoothing the rough area in the front wall. This takes more effort and time, but totally worth it. You can definitely spot the difference between 2 walls. Here I am making the curved circle where we do not need color. It's like a round hole in between the wall. Now the actual painting has started. We went for a medium grey color for the base and a medium brown contrasting color for designs. Color combination is selected for a classy and timeless look that we are looking for.
Hi, यहाँ पर पेंटिंग हो रहा है और आपको अच्छा लग रहा है ना? तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, बस हमारा चैनल देखिए, सब्सक्राइब करना एंड तो क्या दिया है।
As the painting is coming to an end, I decided to work on the DIY nameplate that I have started. So finishing off this DIY nameplate with a transparent sheet above it and giving a border with thick cotton rope. Now here my little one got her part in painting the bricks. Now the brick is painted and double-sided tape is fixed on its back, so we can stick the tape on walls and we can fix it further with nails. Finally, we are restyling this place with our round brick wall installation, fixing nameplate, placing back the shoe cabinet, plant pot and a new semicircular coir rug as per our color palette to finish off our classy and subtle makeover. It's such a satisfaction to see your imagination coming into reality, and their smiles on face and love after seeing this makes it even more special. Hope you enjoyed the way I did. So that's it from my end. Give a big thumbs up if you like the content, share with your friends and subscribe for more. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.
अच्छा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छा है, सबको पसंद आया, हमारे घर में सभी ने पसंद किया इसको, एकदम मस्त बना दिया इसको, बहुत ही बढ़िया, ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत अच्छा काम किया, थैंक यू।
बहुत ही बढ़िया। और इसका जो लोसेंट है बहुत ही अच्छा है। एंट्रेंस का जो गेटअप भी चेंज हो गया इंटायर लाइट्स का, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। और एक कलर भी बहुत बढ़िया, मस्त कलर कॉम्बिनेशन इज आल्सो वेरी नाइस, बढ़िया है, एप्रिशिएट परफॉर्मेंस ओवरऑल वर्क वेरी सेटिस्फाइड।